you know I am a star? Look up, can you see me? Hey, all these other niggas wanna be me. I want my neck so I see dripping diamonds freezing. I don't want your water, I got Fiji. I love my niggas tryna put their ass on TV. You ain't wanna link, you ain't never wanna see me. Hey, now they all ask like where you been, V. I've been tryna stack me up a million. Hey, stay alert, keep your eyes open. I heard that the house was sliding, but I know my niggas holding. Run up, we gon' get to blowing. I've been blowing up ever since I dropped, blowing up my phone, y'all turning up. Yeah, busting at your party, and you know I'm with the mob. I might throw a couple Benzies just to watch some bitches fall. I remember she ain't want me, I was walking through the hall. Now she see me dropping traps, and now she wanna suck my balls. Yeah, well like waterfall, think I can, not at all. I'ma get it by myself, I don't need no fucking help. Wapple boys, we the team, we gon' look like every dream. Can't let hoes get in between. Keep a Glock with a beam, shooting lasers down your street. I just act, I don't think. You don't wanna see me tweak. You don't wake up out your drink. I've been leaning off the link, yeah. Rip from methazine, damn, I can't even see. Hope I wake up from my sleep. Don't you know I am a star? Look up, can you see me? Hey, all these other niggas wanna be me. I want my neck so I see dripping diamonds freezing. I don't want your water, I got Fiji. I love my niggas tryna put their ass on TV. You ain't wanna link, you ain't never wanna see me. Hey, now they all ask like where you been, V. I've been tryna stack me up a million.
I got Avion dripping on my neck. Niggas mad cause I got some money when they got a check. Keep it simple, rockin' belly with a all back V-neck. I be drippy, I got ice, look like frozen by the neck. I look out for my brothers cause we all gon' eat. And if one fall behind, man, get him on his feet. Can't keep moving cause we only strong as the weakest link. Whole gang getting money, then we all rockin' minks. But my brothers, you know I go crazy. OG got me feeling lazy, screaming thank you to my nana. Took her time to.
What's up, fam? Alright, today, so we gonna go up to go get a car wash. Y'all know I gotta get my weekly car wash in. Then we gonna go up to the place where I got my fog lights done because they gave me, I don't know, they didn't give me, I don't know if they gave me the wrong pair or it's like the fitment, the little washer part that goes that you twist into it, like it's not working right. So I'm gonna go up there and see if they could put it in or if it's another alternative to get a different little bit to go on it because the one I got is not working out. So I'm gonna go do that and then I'm gonna go get some. I gotta get some. Go to Ace. I can't even talk right now. I'm gonna go to Ace and get some. And get these screws so I can finish setting up my little man cave. I'm gonna show y'all that too. Probably when I get my TV in. I don't know yet. I might show y'all a little bit today because I gotta move it around and stuff. But we gonna see. So I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So we got the fog lights in. It took me a minute. I had to go back up there because I don't even want to talk about it, but I had to go back up there because they, like how these fog lights are set up, like they got like 3 little prongs that go in them, like on the part that you twist in them, but it's like weird on some of them, so like they have to adjust them, and I ain't know how they did it the first time, so I took it back up there so they can do it. I ain't had time because it's hot. It's too hot to be doing that outside. So now we back at the house. I'm about to do the decal on the side window. It's not as big as I thought it was, but it'll work out. So I'm probably gonna put it on this window, and then I'll probably have to get some more. But shit, this shit was $16 itself, so we gonna see. So it come with instructions. It's pretty simple. Just make sure your surface is clean. Mine's kind of clean. I just got a car wash, so it should be alright. I wonder. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm just playing right here. Let's use my 4-way card. quality of it is pretty nice though. I like the YouTube. That's pretty nice.
This wish it was bigger, but pretty sure I could find it somewhere that do it bigger than this. Just bubbles out. Everything else pretty good.
Alright. That looks pretty good though. I like it. Let's see. Alright, this is cool.
Hope I ain't get no water in the fog light. I had to, so I guess I was messing with it last night, and I guess
I took a piece off or something, because when the guy was putting it in, he was like, "Oh, you missing a piece. When we can get it ordered for you." I'm like, bro, but they gave me these for free because they wasn't even on the warranty no more. I mean, I don't know how long the warranties are, but I don't know. But I got a whole $90 set of fog lights up in my car right now, and I don't think I paid $90 the first time. I feel like it was like $60. So we gonna do a video tonight too. I'm gonna do a video tonight too when it get dark, so I can show y'all what it looked like. Boy, it's so hot out here. It ain't really hot, but it's sun beaming. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Oh, and I went to Ace, so I got a whole thing of screws because when we moved, I lost a lot of the screws that go to this whole desk. So this thing failed like a while ago, but it wouldn't have known it. But boy, one of these monitors was on it, so I was pissed. But I got the screws now, and it's a whole thing that goes under the thing. Y'all probably can't see it now, but I'm gonna show y'all when I put it together. But it's a whole little layer that goes under the corner part that holds the actual PC. So we're gonna do that too. man.